Namaskar students. Today I will discuss about the questions and answers of digital documentation session 2, insert and use images in Overwriter. So let me start. The first question is, how images are useful to make a document attractive? So the answer of questions you can write in this manner. How images are useful. So when you start working with text are not that much attractive whatever formatting you are using in it. But if you have simple text, it cannot give a proper impact on the readers. So whenever reader reads the contents, some graphics should be added. So images are useful in that way. It provides visual content for the textual information. So when somebody is reading the text and if he is looking at the images, the visualization plays a role there. And in this, visualization gives a different impact on the reader. So a reader can understand easily with the visual images. So in that way you can use images for visualization. Second part you can consider like that, when images are available with your documents text also improved. And it allows to contents more readable and more presentable. So whenever you use images, these are the some points. Moreover, here in website we have given this some options also. You can consider that also. So when you are using images or text without images, it's not looking good. So images are an important part of graphics in document. They allows to make documents and attractive and live. By images you can make your documents live also. It adds more functionality and make documents like professional pages. If you are reading a magazine, if you are reading an article or some other contents, so you may get images there. So by images you can understand the text very well. Next question, what are the ways to insert image in document? So to insert image in document, there are number of ways. Some of the ways here we have mentioned already. First is insert image from computer, that is insert image from file. In OpenOffice Writer you will get this option, insert image from file, that we will discuss later. Second is insert image from internet. Some of the word processors allowing you to insert image directly from internet. So you can upload any online image. But OpenOffice Writer doesn't allow this facility. You have to download picture first, then you can insert from file. Insert images from clipart gallery. Word processors have their strong feature, that is called clipart gallery. In this clipart gallery, many images are there available in outline form or some colorful pictures also. So that is inbuilt gallery you can use for inserting image. And the fourth one is creating new drawing by auto shapes. So you can create your own drawing also by using different shapes. So these shapes can create one picture, and that is also part of that. So these are the ways to insert images in document. Third question is, write steps to insert images from file. How you can insert image from file? So let me start it. First we start OpenOffice Writer, then start the document text typing. When you start this, wait for some time. When it is completely available, if any text is required, you type the text. Suppose here I am typing some text. So here I have written one sentence. Now I want to insert picture. So simply insert, then picture option, then from file. Pictures here I am collecting from this folder, sample pictures, and this picture penguins. I am selecting to insert in this document. Then when you select the picture, click on open. So the picture will be available in your document. So this way you can insert the picture, then resize as per the document requirement. The next question is how to insert image through clipart in OpenOffice Writer. So clipart is an inbuilt gallery as we discussed already. So how to insert picture? Open OpenOffice Writer first, then find out the standard toolbar. This is the standard toolbar. It is available under menu, file, edit, view, insert. So here you can see some icons are there. So you find clipart. This icon is for clipart only. So this icon you can click clipart gallery. This gallery is known as clipart gallery. So find out that from standard toolbar. It is always available under menu bar. Click on that. When you click, it opens different themes here with pictures. So from here you can select different pictures layout. Select any picture from this, then drag to client area or on your document. So that picture will be inserted. So this way you can insert picture from clipart. The next question is write steps to draw shapes in Overwriter. Similar way as you open clipart gallery, same way you can open shapes gallery also. So that is also available in standard toolbar. Click on this icon, show draw functions. So when you click, that draw functions will be available with drawing toolbar. This is the drawing toolbar. Now whatever shapes you want to insert, just click on that shape and drag according to your need. So here some shapes are available. You can use as per requirement. So this way you can insert shapes. What are the options available to modify image? Explain in detail. Write steps wherever required. So students, here how you can insert image that you have already seen. Now the next part is modifying the image. Generally modify image means what? You can change the size. That is the first option of modifying image. Second, you can recolor them. You can apply some colors to the image. Another option is you can crop the image. So and you can change the shape of picture. So these are the options you can use for modifying images. So let me modify this image. First option, resize. Resizing is very simple. Just click on your image, then you may get these small green squares around the picture. Now you just change size according to document page or as per the requirement of your document. So same way you can resize, you can change the size horizontally and vertically. So this is the first option to modify the image. Some options are available in picture toolbar. When you select picture, this picture toolbar will be available. See, now as I have deselected this picture, so that picture toolbar is not visible on the document. Now if you want to do something, then this properties window is also available, that we will discuss later. First, I am trying to modify the image. So here grayscale option. So that colors you can change, black and white, watermark. So these are the some options available for you for modifying the picture. Invert, this applies invert colors. Then smooth, it makes your image little bit smooth, means some color will be changed. Remove noise. So these are some options you can use for modifying the image. Okay, this way. So different options are available, you can apply on your image. So this way you can modify the image. Now some other options are also available for modifying. Suppose changing the shapes or flipping image, flip vertical, flip horizontal. So you can change the direction also. So these are available in picture toolbar. The next question is, what is text wrapping? Explain all the options of wrap text. Text wrapping means displaying text along with your image. So when we have text and image both, sometimes you will see image is not placed as per the requirement. Sometimes image is going down, text is coming upside, or sometimes the image is available on top of your text, so text is not visible. So here I am simply preparing one paragraph. Now this image I want to place at the starting of the paragraph in this corner, but see, that is change. It is not placing, means my text is not coming here. It will start from the right side next to image. So that I want to do in this document. Now see how you can apply text wrapping. Text wrapping option is available in properties. So go to the property, select your image and wrap option. The wrap option is available here. So before, that means before your image, text should come before your image. So this option I have applied, and now I am dragging this picture. See, second option is after. So means after. So text will be placed after your image. See, so this option I want to apply. So it is available here. First image is coming, then text. So these wrap options you can find out. Different options are available for different purpose. So this way you can use text wrapping. Then what do you mean by crop? Write steps to crop image in Overwriter. Cropping image is little bit simple. You can crop image as per your need. So select your picture first, and crop option is available in this toolbar. Picture toolbar. Okay, this is for color. Okay, in property you can find out, or go to format, and picture format option is also available for cropping. So if you are not getting that option in picture toolbar or properties, you can use this option. So here crop option is available. Directly it is showing original size 11.19 centimeter by 7.94. So that you can change accordingly image size. If you want to change the size, just decrease, or if you want to change from bottom side or cut something, you can type your option here, or you can do like this. So that picture is going up and down. Similarly from right side also I want to do something like this, and when you click on OK, your image will be cropped. So this way you can crop picture. Again I am repeating, crop means removing unwanted part of your image, that is known as cropping. Now proper steps, click on the picture to select it, go to format and picture. So it will open format picture dialog box, and then select this crop option and change the directions, from which direction you want to crop your image. Allow that, and then your picture will be cropped. The next question is, how to arrange objects in Overwriter document. Explain options in detail with example or steps. So it is also a little bit simple. When you have different objects, this is one image and another object is this one. Now I want to place both the objects properly. Whenever you have drawn any object, the object drawing tool is activated, so you can deactivate by pressing escape key. So press escape key after drawing your particular shape, apply whatever changes you want. Then to select multiple object, you have to draw a big square on that to select them. First select one object and then like this. So when you select one object, then only that big rectangle or square will come. Now both objects are selected. Then go to format, arrange. So these are the options to arrange your objects. Bring front, it will bring one step front. Let me try with another shape so you can understand easily. Here I am drawing one more shape, that is square. Now in this I am changing the color from this option, color. Now I want to send it back, or I want to send that in front. This I want to send in front. Format, arrange, bring to front. So this way you can bring it front. So these are the different options for arranging the shapes. So all you can use. Forward one means if you have multiple shapes, then you can forward them one by one. Another shape I am drawing here, that is star. I am making one star. Suppose this star I am making here and applying the color red. Now we have three shapes. Now arrange it back one. So this is back one, means one shape back. Format, arrange, back one. So it is going to the end, means behind the shapes, whatever shapes are available. Another option for arrangement is grouping, group and ungroup. So when you want to group the objects, select your objects, then go to format and group. Grouping option allows you to group your picture in one unit and you can drag and drop them wherever you need. So that's why this group option is given. So after making one picture or drawing all the shapes, you can group them and use as per your need. After that, explain image properties in detail. Explain picture toolbar in detail with all options. So all options I already explained. What are the options available in picture toolbar? Once again, from file option, that you can insert picture once again. Whatever picture you need, you can pick and you can see the picture will be replaced. Then this option is filter, that I already explained. Whatever filter you need, just apply accordingly. Then default, these are the colors. Then this option is for applying different colors at the level of red, green and blue RGB. You can change brightness and contrast and you can apply to the image. This is transparency. As number of percentage you will enter more, that will be applied accordingly. Your picture becomes white when you apply 100%. Okay. So these are the picture toolbar options. Flip horizontally and flip vertically. It will flip your image as per the ratio, whatever ratio is given. So flip horizontally, flip vertically. So these options are available on picture toolbar. More, you can add some buttons or options from this small arrow and you can customize your toolbar. Customize toolbar. These are some options you can apply. You can apply even keyboard shortcuts also. And menu bar, you can place this option in menu bar wherever you need. Suppose I want to display this image in menu. So whatever menu you want to use, just you click view. I want to display it in view. So view, add. So from here you can add picture toolbar. So you can customize as per your need. Then in picture toolbar, these options are there. You can use as per your need. Next is explain the image properties in detail. Image properties, brightness, you can change the brightness level. Contrast, you can change contrast level as well from properties. Color mode, the same color mode, grayscale, black and white, watermark, whatever you want. Transparency you can apply as I have discussed. As more you apply transparency, level that will be changed to your picture in transparent mode. So here if we apply 100 it becomes white, so likely you can use. Then color RGB, red, green and blue. Then this option position and size, you can change the position and size by applying fixed length. If you want to apply width, if you want to apply height. Then wrap text, as we already discussed about wrap text, wherever you want to place you can select proper option and apply. So these are the different properties of images. Then how to apply frame or border to images, right steps. To apply borders there are two ways. First you can apply styles, frame styles. Go to format, styles and formatting, and from this go to frame option. If it is not available then you can click on this frame style button, and frame style button you will get frame. Click on this fill format and apply to your picture. So this is the one way. Another way is format menu, picture, then borders. From here also you can pick set borders for all 4 borders. Then color, we can apply color from here. Different styles of borders are available. Whatever border you need you can pick. This is shadow for the position, which position you want to apply shadow. So accordingly you can set all the options and click on OK. So border will be available. So these are the ways to apply borders. After that, what is font work? Right steps to use font work. Font work is a special type of text used in documents. Sometimes we need to highlight our heading or we need to write text in stylish way. So this stylish option is available through font work. This option is available in shape toolbar. So open this drawing toolbar, then click on this option A, that is font work gallery. When you click, directly this option is available. You can pick style for your text. Suppose I want to insert this one. Okay. Now to type text, double click on the font work and type the required text. Delete the existing text and then write your text. Double click outside the font work gallery. You can see font work easily. Now change the size. This option is available for your document now. So this way you can insert font work. Right steps to delete image. It is very simple. Whatever picture you have, just select the picture and press delete button. So simply you can delete the object also. Click on the object and delete object. Okay. So these are the questions. You can write answers in your language also. So these options I have demonstrated. So this way you can write all the answers. Thank you.